argparse, default value for nargs equals. I tried to use this statement, but got this error. What I want to do is if m is in args list but without any value, args.music will give me true. If m is in args list and haven't values, args.music will give me a list of all values. If m is not in args list, args.music will return false. The second and last tone worked, but when I try to use const I got an error.
You could use a custom action. If you have only one argument to handle this way, then is simpler. If you have many such arguments, then defining a custom action could reduce the repetition, and help ensure all those arguments are treated the same way.
What about output?
The following hack after the argparse section solves your problem. Tested in the command line, it gives
Your tissue, not please,